In 2013, Congress passed a law that required the Institute of Education Sciences, or IES, to make the results from peer-reviewed research it funded freely available within 12 months of publication. This law was passed with the belief that the public should have easy access to results from the scientific research that it funds. Results from scientific research can improve education by driving innovation and providing new insights. To implement this law, IES established the IES policy regarding public access to research. This policy requires that results from peer-reviewed research funded by IES be made freely available to the public within 12 months of publication. The policy requires grantees and contractors to make the final peer-reviewed manuscript from their IES-funded studies publicly available. To do so, they must submit this manuscript to ERIC, a free online library of education research sponsored by IES. For researchers publishing work through a journal, this means two things. First, before signing an agreement with a publisher, they must notify the publisher of their grant or contract requirement to make their work publicly available via ERIC. This means that it is the researcher's responsibility to make sure they retain rights to submit the full text of their federally funded work to ERIC. Second, researchers must submit their peer-reviewed manuscript to ERIC immediately after it is accepted by a peer-reviewed journal or published by a non-journal source, such as a foundation or university website. ERIC will make the metadata of the journal article immediately available. This includes the bibliographic citation, the abstract, and related indexing tools, such as thesaurus terms and funding information. 12 months after a manuscript's publication, the full text of the article will be available on ERIC. When IES publishes the research, it will deposit the manuscript into ERIC. The full text of the article will be made available immediately. For step-by-step instructions about how to submit research to ERIC, please watch the video IES Public Access Policy: How Grantees and Contractors Meet Their Requirements by Submitting Work to ERIC.